In this video, I'll show you how to run Facebook ads for your coaching business step by step. Facebook ads can help you reach more potential clients, generate leads, and promote your coaching services. First, open your web browser and sign in to Meta Business Suite or Ads Manager with your Facebook account. Make sure you have a Facebook business page and an active ad account. Next, click Create to start a new campaign. Choose an objective that matches your goal, such as leads, traffic, or engagement. Name your campaign, then set your daily or lifetime budget and campaign duration. After that, define your target audience by selecting the location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors of the people most likely to need your coaching services. Now, create your ad by adding an eye-catching image or video, writing a clear headline and description, and including a strong call to action, like book now, learn more, or sign up. Review your campaign settings, add or confirm your payment method, then click Publish. Once your ad is live, monitor its performance in Ads Manager and make changes if needed to improve your results. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.